Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through Kiwi yen as we could see a potential short idea forming on the market as prices rejected some key areas. But first of all, why do we want to take a look at the Kiwi yen market? Well, actually, if we take a look at our strength meter, we can see that the Kiwi, which is this yellow line here, is pushing to the downside after reaching these extreme highs, telling us that the New Zealand dollar is getting weaker. The yen is something I'm interested in potentially trading because it is the weakest currency at the moment. Now, saying that, you think, well, why are you trying to trade weak against weak? The problem is when these currencies get to these extreme levels, they can often reverse. So I'm actually looking to see if yen will now start to get slightly stronger. Obviously, you can do that by looking at the stock markets. You can do that by looking at the bond yields, the US 10-year bond yields. At the moment, stocks have dropped today, which could add some strength to the yen and some further weakness to risk currencies like the New Zealand dollar. So ultimately, before you get to a chart, you want to ask yourself, why do you want to be involved with that market in the first place? And we've just identified why we want to be involved with Kiwi yen. So looking at Kiwi yen and the price action, what do I need to see? I need to see some kind of development of a trend or some kind of new low being formed, because what I'm predicting is that Kiwi yen could start to push to the downside here, and what that should create on a 4-hour time frame is a downward trend with the market making lower lows and lower highs. So if I think Kiwi yen is going to drop, where could it drop to? Well, we've got these previous structure areas in here. You've got this high around about 82.50, which acted as resistance, which could be an area that price wants to come and retest. If that's the case, I want to be looking for those short opportunities on a pullback. Now we can see that price has actually formed an opportunity here because we had a double top pattern. Price broke through. It then came and retested the supply zone, which is the last bullish candlestick before price made this new low in here. Now we've retested that, we're rejecting. We could be looking for some short ideas down to this next low. If price was to break this next low in here, we could then look for a similar idea if price was to pull back and retest another supply zone. So keep an eye on Kiwi yen. I think that there's a good short opportunity developing through here. You could be looking at your lower time frame for some trading opportunities through there. If price forms a new low, I think the momentum would be pushing price to the downside here. Be aware that yen is the weakest currency currently. What we want to be doing is identifying if that is going to follow through or not. And you can do that, like I said, by identifying the weakness in the stock markets or by looking at the US 10-year bond yields at the moment. Correlation between yen and the US 10-year is very, very strong. So keep an eye on that market as well. Hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content. And I'll speak to you in the next video.